top news headlines. 10 people hurt during violent scuffle at Lilong Chingkang. Unknown miscreant plant bomb at BJP active workers' house. CM flags off 80 COVID vaccination express vehicles for 13 districts. And former Minister Karam Siam accorded grand welcome by BJP. We are collectively facing a pandemic threat that is sweeping across the humanity beyond oceans and borders. Considering the seriousness of COVID-19, it's about time we step up against this deadly disease. Maintain a safe distance from others, even if they don't appear to be sick. Wear a mask in public, especially indoors or when physical distancing is not possible. Choose open, well-ventilated spaces over closed ones. Clean your hands often, use soap and water or an alcohol-based hand rub. Get vaccinated when it's your turn. Follow local guidance about vaccination. Cover your nose and mouth with your band, elbow or a tissue when you cough or sneeze. Stay home if you feel unwell. Hello, this is PONYTV giving the latest Thursday English bulletin. I'm CHRISTINA. Now the news in detail. At least 10 people were injured, 2 of them critically during a violent scuffle at Lilong Chingkang today. Reports suggested that volunteers of Lilong Chingkang Maya Development Organization were protesting against a land demarcation work by officials at Chingkang to set up a police outpost. They clashed with police who were helping the officials in the demarcations work. The police resorted to firing tear gas, still injuring 10 protesters. Meanwhile, the Joint Tribes Student Association JTSA began a 48-hour economic blockade along National Highway 37 from 4 p.m. today. The highway blockade has been imposed to condemn what is said illegal activities by Lilong Chingkang Maya Development Organization (LCMDO) against the minority Rongmei Kabui of Lilong Chingkang Rongmei village. JTSS said LCMDO members vandalized houses belonging to the minority Rongmei of Chingkang village. Lilong is a Muslim-dominated area of Manipur. The association appealed to the Manipur government to bring all culprits to book within 24 hours and take stringent action against them as per the law of the land. It also demanded that all individuals, leaders, and organizations who try to incite communal tension in Chingkang Rongmei village should be booked. The Joint Tribes Students Association JTSA also demanded construction of Chingkang police outposts in a time-bound manner, apart from fixing a boundary line of Chingkang village to prevent encroachment in future. Unknown persons planted a bomb at the house of one Sanasam Jugi, age 75, of Nuoy Awang Laikai under Lamlai in Infal East early in the morning. Sanasam Brozim, son of Sanasam Jugi, told media that the family is in good terms with everyone. He is said to be an active worker of BJP and also a supporter of former Minister Setri Mayumbiren Brozin suspected political rivalry behind the bomb incident. He said this was the first pre-poll incident in Lamlai constituency this year. Brozin also said such acts will not help towards ensuring a free and fair election. Manipur goes to polls in every part of 2022.
Tongan ba loop singbuoiro karibuoiro aingonda information lamata pirakpa aingonda laite phone tawbirakpasu leite karigumba yanadaba amatasu aingonda laigib leite aduga mari leinana aingonda sukchawba pesar ma pirakpasi athuba matamda mari leinabasingna pung kun marigi manungda singdok pirakadabani masi yamna raintik mari leinaba oigani haina ai sadagi thajaba sumain thamjage.
Chief Minister N. Biren Singh flag of 80 vehicles today for COVID vaccination express at Kumalang Park Indoor Stadium in Infal. Vehicles with the attached medical staff will undertake village to village and door-to-door vaccination in the district of Taubal, Kapching, Bisnupur, Churachandpur, Paizwal, Tengnopal, Chandel, Kangpokpi, Noni, Tamenglong, Jeribam, Kamzong, and Ukrul. Earlier, 40 vehicles were flagged off for the district of Infal West, Infal East, and Senapati. Health Department of Manipur thanked CHRISTINA India for providing 120 vehicles and medical staff for COVID vaccination express under their CSR program. CHRISTINA India directly funds the hiring charge, stall expenses, and operational expenses for COVID vaccination express vehicles and staff. All eligible persons are requested to avail the vaccination facility urgently, as COVID vaccination is safe and vital to be safe from COVID pandemic. During the program, CM Biren appealed to all the people in the hills and not to be scared of getting vaccinated. He recalled a recent virtual conference between PM Narendra Modi and Senapati District Deputy Commissioner and said Modi has expressed deep concern over the failure of the hill areas to show seriousness in getting vaccine jab. Biren appealed to leaders of Hill District to convey the PM's message to the people. Former Minister Karam Siam today joined Bharatiya Janata Party BJP. Manipur BJP President Adhikari Mayum Sarda Devi formally welcomed Karam Siam to the Saffron Party in a function at the state BJP office located at Nityai Pat Chutek in Infal. Siam was the lone LJP MLA in Manipur. He had served as Consumer Affairs Minister in Biren government. He was ultimately dropped from the ministry on September 24, 2020. Karam Siam had represented Langtabal Assembly constituency. BJP National Spokesperson Dr. Sambit Patra, General Secretary Abhay Giri, and other office bearers were present on the occasion. It is worth mentioning that Congress MLAs Rajkumar Imo Singh and Yamthong Haukip recently joined the BJP. The people of Langtabal constituency shower blessing to Karam Siam as he joined BJP.
Laibaki interest, BJP Sarkar Kandawi interest, BJP government Kandawi interest, Hong Kong number leng than a lepony and a lep to Karam Siam. BJP did handle in home justice so well to a party. Madu is justice functioning. Nasi, I wrote Karan Sama BJP Sangako Matam on the Isari content computer and cut confidence building the anyone that is owner Pangal Hapu. Matam I am like it. Madugi Rajya Sabha election lawyer Matunda ministers in reshuffle of Matanga. Even though even though Saki was I wrote Shivo. Quite integrity labor, quite principle labor, you wrote Madi, I don't mean I give minister direction from the idea healthy period of Mokto.
Nasi party is the Mokta walk the Wani Hydra Topiriba, Kaikunajariba, ex minister, London City MLA, Mingoina Panjala, Sikaram Sam Amadi, Loina Biliba Punamak Singo, and a Toido and Okna, Ikai Kunava, Uchava Loina, Matanga, Takatariba 2022, some soy soydana. Same Magadaba Sarkar, Asida, Langtaban constituency dagi, Tambal di Mihut, Sung Soy Soydana, Tagat Pira O, Aduma Sarkar, Adu the Saru Yahan Biu.
PG centered as national unit se later. Have a symbol freeze the Ure, the party flag freeze the Ure, party should later. Aduna Lehori meeting to the Tongan election commission, party and Nito Gamana, LJP Rambilas Banasakre. amana Rashtriya Lok Janashakti Party na sakre tongan ba symbol amana helicopter pire amana akoi swing machine aduna Manipur gi state unit su juji akoi da laitre aduna unit sing do laitre banina ade ai gi parent body do laitre banina BJP sta akoi kendra gi praja sing ya ba lauraga BJP da yauksallaga ade Zati ki thakta aduga state ki thakta kendra ki lairiba mayam se awara pasi phajana ade fulfill tawang amna ba.
A patient from Maguinong village under Tamay subdivision in Tamenglong district was rushed to a nearby hospital in a bamboo stretcher by the villagers today. Maguinong, an interior village, and several other villages continue to live without basic amenities. Maguinong village is located in the extreme north of Tamay, bordering Peren district of Nagaland. The Tamenglong district of Manipur is known for its long-time backwardness. The village of Maguinong has about 150 households. This village has no proper road connectivity, electricity, mobile service, and healthcare centers. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.
Karigumba dom yumda laiba anaba singi hidak kappa dressing tauba blood sample loba rice tube hapa catheterization hapa enema tobinaba experience lairaba nurse amati doctor thibada awaba thengnabirabadi wabiraganu Medland Home Nursing Care Service Manipurna kungkunmari chukna adum yumda laktuna hidak kappa injection piba dressing tauba feeding tube hapa catheter hapa amadi makhal kya ke anaba sing experience lairaba doctor amadi nursing tuna mating pangzari akupa marol gi damak Medland gi helpline number 9205987988 amukasu 9205987988 ta call tawna tanabiu natraga Google Play Store gi Medland app download tawna booking tawi.
Welcome back. A state-level moot court competition was organized by Law Department of Manipur University at its premises today. The event was sponsored by Manipur State Legal Services Authority. Manipur University Vice Chancellor Dr. Professor Naurem Lokendra Singh, MJS Manipur State Legal Services Authority, Ojes Mutum, and Dr. Yumnam Premananda Singh, Head of Law Department, MU, were present at the event. Dr. Naurem Lokendra stated that the Law Department in Manipur University is a highly competent department next to Assam. The moot court competition educates law students on how to present themselves as lawyers in the court. Students of LMS Law College, Visal Law College, Oinam Law College, and Law Department of Manipur took part in the competition.
That when I was the Dean School of Social Sciences, I could get the initiative and with some rudimentary infrastructure and the space that was available in this new School of Social Sciences, we had started it in 2018. I'm happy to inform you that the first batch of faculties, Dr. Dilip, Dr. Khazamandi, Dr. Lakashwini, and then Dr. Krishkanta.
The Lomi Sinmi Apunlup Lausal Manipur has condemned the burning of petty stacks by unknown miscreant at Singzam Tirang and Senzam Kunau under Sekmai Police Station in Manipur West District on November 10th. Lausal General Secretary Laistram Kiranjit said farmers have been toiling hard during the COVID pandemic to feed their families. However, such acts of destruction has angered the poor farmers, making them restless due to the loss. Lausal appealed to the law enforcing agencies to take action against such criminals to maintain the rule of law. Lausal also demanded the state government to provide compensation to the victim farmers.
Handaki chahigi Kung minong sumarang kaina sugidaba COVID-19 के pandemic na maram moidna mapan thokpa yadagi khudong sabu lai tabam sung har phangdagi queue lepna dana taw marak steda longi singya wana sing singdana amasung lejabi pamal thongna putoktana low uzarab matungda hojik lokpa yar matung matam steda low lok jaina winam ka phobait pairiba du mai thabra mangan baise myobi chana bi sung myobi chakki wa mani aduna masin thabak ase khudaktagi obiriba singsu khudaktagi masi lepiu amasung masigi law enforcing agency oina lebiriba police department amasung intelligence ki lebiriba fatumna manga hariba obok siguma tobokse mutung thoktana winamta ngarang makhoiba yamna phonghong sana mai thabagi thoboksida chenariba mi singje khudakta athubuda phabiu hago wafamsima loksalna.
A blood donation camp will be held on the theme Kunaida Kathok Labai to commemorate the 16th Foundation Day of Kanglei Park Students Union KSA on November 12 at RIMS and Jenims from 9 p.m. onwards. KSA appealed to the people of Manipur to take part in the blood donation camp. Chief Manager of State Bank of India, Pauna Bazar Branch, Timi Gangti, and General Secretary of State Bank of India Staff Association, Northeastern Region, Mayo Paksana, donated face masks to Medical Directorate today. Mai Paksana said face masks is not costly, but the relation between bank and their customer is worthwhile. SBI will continue to serve for the betterment of the people, he added. 5 newly elected BJP and East Delhi UPPL legislator who had won the Assam by-election held in 5 assembly segments on October 30 were sworn in as members as the Assembly Legislative Assembly on Thursday. The newly elected MLAs Susanta Borgahant, Rubjyoti Kurmi, Panidart Tulakdar, Jiron Basumatari, and Jolian Daimari were administered the oath of office by Speaker Biswajit Daimari at Assam Assembly premises at Dispur. BJP and its ally UPPL had won all 5 seats in the Assam by-polls. BJP's Susanta Burghand won the Tora Assembly constituency, and BJP candidate Panidar Tulukdar won the Bapanipur seat, while Rubjyoti Kumi won the Mariani seat. BJP's ally UPPL candidates Jiron Basumatari and Jolian Daimari won the Gosaigaon and Tamulpur respectively. The by-elections were necessitated after BPF MLA of Gosaigaon and UPPL MLA of Tamulpur constituency died due to post-COVID-19 complication, and the MLAs of Tora, Mariana and Bhupanipur switched to BJP. Once again, let's take a short break.
Ningol singi punsida khwaidagi maruoiba numit asibu hena magol hapnabagidamakta laizare bridal makeup and potloi collection by Dojo Chongtham. Phone number 9366-214-258.
Welcome back. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, in the presence of Speaker of Meghalaya Legislative Assembly Medba Lingdo and other cabinet ministers and MLAs, inaugurated the new district christened as Eastern West Khasi Hills, which was bifurcated from its parent district of West Khasi Hills. The new district comprises Mairang and Mauta Drisant C and RD block respectively. Mairang is one of the oldest civil subdivision, which was inaugurated on November 10, 1976, and exactly after 45 years, it was upgraded to a new district. The new district will be headquartered at Mairang. Inaugurating the new district of Eastern West Khasi Hills amidst a festive mood in Mairang. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said that the new district will bring the administration closer to the people. He said that the new district was a long-felt aspiration and desired of the people, and the government had to consider it after screening different parameters. He also told the gathering about his visit to Mairang as an opposition leader, where people had spelled out the need for the creation of a new district. As per the India Meteorological Department, the cyclonic depression in Bay of Bengal will continue to move westward and cross North Tamil Nadu and South Andhra Pradesh coast near Chennai by Thursday evening. Chennai, battered by incessant rain, is expected to receive more downpour as a depression in the Bay of Bengal is hurtling towards Tamil Nadu coast. The India Meteorological Department's IMD Regional Center has said that it will cross the coast between Tamil Nadu and South Andhra Pradesh on Thursday evening. Districts in northern Tamil Nadu, including Chennai, Kanchipuram and Vilpuram, are likely to receive heavy to very heavy rainfall. Deputy Director General of Meteorology S. Balachandra said in the wake of the cyclonic circulation, the IMD had issued advisories for the people of Chennai and other cities. Virat Kohli announced that he will be stepping down as India's T20 201 captain following the T20 World Cup, but the former Pakistan cricketer is confident there is more to the decision than what met the eyes. Following India's early exit from the T20 World Cup, there has been a change in guard, with Rohit Sharma replacing Virat Kohli as India's T201 captain and Rahul Dravid coming in as its new coach. The team will usher into a new era. However, former Pakistan spinner Mushtaq Ahmed claims there are issues existing in the current India team, which prompted Kohli to step down as the T201 captain. The 33-year-old announced that he will be stepping down as India's T201 captain following the T20 World Cup, but Mushtaq is confident there is more to this decision than what meets the eye. Before we wrap up, once again the top news headlines. 10 people hurt during violent scuffle at Lilongching camp. Unknown miscreants plant bombs at BJP active workers' house. CM flags of 80 COVID vaccination express vehicles for 13 districts. And former Minister Karam Siam accorded grand welcome by BJP. Thank you for watching PONYTV English News.